perhaps getting worse just before the landfall?
Well, the weather conditions are extremely getting deteriorated. Right behind me, you can see I'm here at a place called Kovalam, where the town looks completely deserted. The government of Tamil Nadu vehicles are actually surveying this area. The officials are here and they are just making announcements to people asking to stay indoors, not to venture out. And this is particularly a fisherman-based village. So clearly you can see the area has been completely deserted and the wind speed is actually getting heavy by the minute. And as part of precautionary measures, people have been asked to stay indoors. The power has completely been shut off in this particular area, and similar scenes are being witnessed in several other parts of Chennai along the coast where there are heavy winds and there is heavy rain, and in the next few hours this is what one can expect. What we are being told by the Met Department is that at a time of the landfall there will be heavy winds maximum to the speed of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, and heavy rains is what one can expect. So this is the kind of situation in which we have been reporting from Kovalam, where you can see we are here at a central government facility, a building here, and this is what we can find. The entire area, the local villagers tell us that the damage is something which is extensive, because in most of the places what the reports we are getting is that the trees have fallen because of heavy winds, and that is causing a lot of inconvenience for the public. And in some places people have been evacuated, particularly in areas like Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur and Viluppuram. In these areas thousands of people have been evacuated to safer locations, and the only word of caution that is coming in from the officials at this point in time is that asking people to stay indoors, and people who are living in low-lying areas, they have been asked to move to safer locations. And in some places camps have been erected. In some places people are being given food and water, and basic necessary arrangements have been made. The NDRF teams, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force, they have been asked to be on standby to tackle any kind of eventuality. So far the cyclone has not made any landfall, but even as we speak, we could sense that it is all set to make a landfall somewhere near Chennai, between North Chennai and South Andhra coast. So that is the vast area, and in fact I have been talking to the officials here. They tell us that the eye of the cyclone is somewhere near this area is what they are telling us. So we are reporting from somewhere where the landfall is expected any time, and the officials are keeping a close eye on the precautionary measures and the progress of the cyclone Vardah. And this is what we can witness. We are just close to the seashore, and these are the scenes that one can expect. One can witness in these areas: heavy winds and massive rain, and people have been asked to stay indoors, not to venture into seas, because the fishermen in this particular area, they are all gathered here somewhere near, and they have been informed very clearly not to venture into seas. And